Okay, I've been asked to review this multiple choice question for one student. We're looking at one that's both based on the idea, I guess, of monopoly within Econ 1, which is one of those areas that some students are not so strong on. It says, which of the following is most likely to discourage the growth of a firm? Remember, the key word here is that it's actually asking you to think in the negative, to discourage the growth of the firm. The options: the existence of diseconomies of scale at low levels of output. B, marketing economies of scale at high levels of output. C, large economies of scale at low levels of output. And D, competing firms in the same industry. Well, we get into the answer just with A, basically. A would be the right answer because diseconomies of scale at low levels of output suggest that there's no incentive to grow anymore because you'll just experience higher costs. The idea is that perhaps you achieve economies of scale rapidly, but diseconomies of scale rapidly as well. So you're relatively small still in terms of your output against your cost. At a relatively low output level, therefore you are discouraged from growing any bigger. If you were, which is usually the case, and certainly the case with natural monopolies, where there's long run average cost curve creates economies of scale across a large output number, if we assume these two axes are the same, then quite clearly in this case the firm is encouraged to grow and grow because the more it grows the lower the costs it gets.